Hey, I'm Mike Sokol from RV Electricity, and in this video we're going to show you what's inside of the Renogy 3000 watt inverter with the automatic transfer switch. Okay, first off, don't leave home without your screw gun. I love these things. Let's take the front panel off of this and see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. We've got our front piece that comes off of here. And inside, here's our connections. Okay, so this guy right here, this looks like where we would have our 120 volt output and input coming right in here. This gland up over here would be for our RJ11, RJ45. This would be for our controls, external controls. And lo and behold, down here, here's the big boy. This is where we bring our positive and negative battery inputs in. This has to be heavy because this thing can draw up to 300 amps if need be, or something on the order of that, 280 amps. We'll do exact calculations later. But I like how this is all built right here. It has built-in breakers in case something goes crazy. But yeah, remember when you're assembling this, do not be over torquing your screws. I normally set my screw gun down at about 2. It doesn't need a whole lot to go in there, or if you're not comfortable with a screw gun, you know, go old school with a screwdriver, simply because, well, we don't like stripping screws. Make sense? Okay, we're going to show you battery hookups next, so stand by.